Hello, my friends. Who's wanting to do a comparison? I got my Ken Oliver Fuchsia Color Burst in the mail today, just a few minutes ago, and it's almost 5 o'clock. Our mail was really late, and it came in a box this big, one little thing with a big old bubble balloon inside of it. Yeah, how strange is that? So anyway, let's do a comparison on the colors. Let's do the color burst. And unfortunately, I don't have the new color yet from Brushos, so we can't do that. But this is, I put this in a different bottle. I got two bottles out of that one package. This bottle and this bottle. This bottle, you can kind of push it out a little bit. This is put out by Tulip fabric dye. It comes in this packet. It's 1.76 ounces, 50 grams. For all of those who live in the UK or who go by grams and instead of ounces. Anyway, it's 50 grams and 1.76 ounces. Okay, let's do a comparison on the color. Let's do the fabric one first on this side. Now, what I'm going to do is put down some water with a brush instead of spraying it, so I can kind of control it a little bit. And I wanted clean water, and I don't know why I got dirty water. Okay, this is going to be the fabric dye. I found this little bottle in one of my drawers, and it kind of just poofs it out. Kind of like the Ken Oliver. Okay, just going to let that sit there for a minute. And clean my brush. And we'll do the Ken Oliver one over here. Now this is, gosh, I can't remember what pink it was called. And my brush is not clean. I'm not getting clean water. Okay, I haven't opened these yet. Okay, it says not to, it just says to push it like that. Well, guess what, guys? This is a pretty pink, but it's not as pretty as that one. This is more of a purple blue pink, I would say. Would you say that's a bluish pink? And this is more like It's a fuchsia pink. I'd say it's more red. This is more like a hot pink. These are finer granules in the Color Burst by Ken Oliver. Of course they're going to be finer granules. They're finer in the Brushos too. So they dissolve a little better, but I don't know. I think I like this color pink better than I do fuchsia. Let's try this again. So I'm just pushing it out like you do the Ken Oliver. I'm not shaking it to get those bursts. And then you can spray it, I guess. If you go up higher and spray a mist, need to find my little mister bottle. I think this one's got too big of a mist on it. Let's do the Ken Oliver one over here again. Oh, now see, you're not supposed to do that. That's what happens with them. You push it too hard. Alright, I like the pink one better. It's more of a pink. Fuchsia's not really a pink, I guess. Fuchsia's more of a reddish color. In Ken's eyes, I guess. Well, anyway, there we go. There's our comparison. And I guess you could draw with them if you knew how to draw, if you knew how to do watercolor. I'll just play with this paper and cut it up for ATCs and what have you. So there you go. There's a comparison of the two pinks. I mixed them together and got a whole different color pink. Let's try it again on another piece of paper. That's pooling up. It's going to spill when I set it over here. Okay, let's squirt this paper and not use a brush like we always do. Let's clean our table off of any maybe residue colors that might have gotten squirted on here. Look at all that was on the table that you couldn't see. They're just fine little mists. Okay. Let's spray our paper. And we'll do the fuchsia one. Ken Oliver. And this is a teeny tiny bottle. It's only 6 grams. That's kind of expensive for 6 grams. And let's do this one over here. I don't want my paper sopping wet because I want some of these bursts. I like this little bottle. I wonder where I got it. My e-bottles are different from Stacy's. But I don't know where I got this one, but I sure like this little tip on it. See that? Probably can't see it. It's probably going to blow out. See that? Let me take it off autofocus. I got a lady from the UK that said every time I moved my hands, my autofocus moved. And I'm sorry that happened, and I'll be careful to watch that. And thank you for the comment on that. Anyway, I like this little tip, and it's got a little hole in it. The ones that are from the e-bottles, I don't have an empty one to show you, but the tip is different on it, and inside of this little thing there's cross pieces of plastic, so the brushes don't want to come out of it. But there's a comparison of the two different ones. You guys make up your mind if you want not to buy the color bursts. I wouldn't buy them. I wouldn't buy them again. I would buy these. I think these fabric dyes are very bright, vibrant, and when my brushes are empty, I'll not replace them. I will. Of course, they have like hues. The brushes have hues like I figured out what that OST meant was Oswald. Oswald red, Oswald yellow, and of course there's ochre and there's sienna brown, all those different colors that you can't get with just fabric dyes, but who cares? I really think this is pretty. Now I will use the fuchsia, but I think I'll use the pink over the fuchsia, just because I like that pink. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for and you can comment in the bottom about the comparison on what you think you like. Let me pull you in a little closer so you can see the two different ones. That is the fabric dye, and that is the Ken Oliver. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.